Hi everybody, Shaggy McBones here. So I've been trying to figure out how to make transparent backgrounds using a video editor called Filmora, and after tinkering around with it a little bit, I finally figured out how to do it. I looked online for tutorials on how to complete the process, and it just kept giving me a black background behind my video. Like it would take away the green screen, but it would give me a black background, and it wasn't really helping, so I found out a way to do it, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it too. Let's go over to the PC. Filmora 13 is the one we're using, and I got the project right here. I got it already open, ready to go. So we're going to import a file, and we're just going to import one that I recorded real quick, and it's this guy here. Keep project settings. 25 is okay. All right, and this is what the video looks like now.
You know, I like you girls.
All right, so we're going to get rid of this green screen back here. Let's pull it back. You're gonna click on the file, go up here to video, AI tools right here, turn on chroma key, and you can kind of mess with it. I already messed with it previously myself, so I got -20 on the offset, 51 on the tolerance, -2 on the edge thickness, and 2 on the edge feather. That way it kind of, doesn't make it so choppy on the edges, on the edge of the characters. And this is what it looks like after it's done.
You know, I like you girls.
So as you can see, it got rid of the green screen, essentially the whole green screen. Now, this is what the video would look like if I were to put it on like an overlay or anything. It'd have a black background. It's not transparent. What you do is you go to export down here, and then right here where your format is, it's going to default to MP4, but if you go down and you click WebM and keep everything recommended, don't export alpha channel. Okay, real quick, I do want to make a little side note here. So when you do export this, make sure you're in the WebM, and then make sure you have the alpha channel exported on, because it's going to export the video and keep the background transparent. Set this one as test, and then export it. Once it's all exported, boom, it's going to be in the folder. Now I've already gone through and done this before, so I went into my Lumia, because I also use Lumia as well, and I created a command that for my channel, so people can redeem this on my live stream. And we go over here. Now we're going to come back over here to me, and this is what it looks like.
You know, I like you girls.
Job well done. Hope that helps you guys in the future. I use it as overlays for my streams so people can redeem it. Just little quips and quotes. So if you find any freebie green screen ones that you can download, you can use this trick to get rid of the green screen and put it on your overlay or whatever you're going to use it for. And there you go. I hope that helps you. Later.
What are you doing? Why are you still holding back? Have you forgotten what they said to us? What they did? They think you're a monster. Prove them right. Fight or be forgotten!